Hello everybody to lesson 28 of HTML5 Deep Understanding course. In this lesson we will know the charset in HTML and we will know which is the best and which is the suitable for us. Let's go to the code and see what we have. First of all, we have understand from the previous lessons that the charset is defined in the head inside the meta, like that thing. That is the charset of UTF-8. So let's define another meta tag with charset, with another charset. Okay, so let's define it with let's say charset, and say, for example, here you could see many charsets that you could put them there, but we'll write we'll talk about the most popular and most famous in the charsets, most used. The second one would be the ISO. Okay, the ISO dash 8859 9-1 or 8859 8. Okay, this one is one of the most popular. Okay, so we should only use one of them, but I'll write them down just to see to let you see what are the difference and to talk about them a little bit talking. The next thing would be the ASCII, United States standards. Okay, let's talk about them. There is another one which is the ISO meter charset. Then we have something called the ISO, which we will write it like ISO. No, we have written the ISO. I mean the ANSI, ANSI capital. Okay, this is the another charset. So let's start with the ASCII, which is this. I mean, okay. Let's start with the first, which is ASCII. Okay, the ASCII was the first character encoding standard, also called character set. ASCII defined 128 different alphanumeric characters that could be used in the internet. It defines the numbers from 0 to 9, defines also the letters from A to Z, and some special characters like the at and greater than, smaller than. So it was the first known. Okay, and it has many advantages. The second, which is the ANSI, which is this one, ANSI, which is Windows 12.5.2, was the original Windows character set with support for 205 or 256 different character codes. Number 3 is ISO, which is this one, which was the default character set for HTML4. This character set also supports 256, I think, different character codes. The last one, which is the UTF, which supports almost all the world character, which is more recommended to be used. Okay, so the default of HTML5 is UTF-8. The default of HTML4 is the ISO. Okay, so if you are writing, for example, in HTML5 or HTML4, it's recommended to use this one because it supports the most characters or the letters of the world. So it would be a great choice to use the charset, so you will not mess with the letters. Okay, so why we use the charset and what is the benefit of them? We have talked many times that charset means the way that your system will print the characters you are writing. For example, if you are writing Arabic or writing Indian characters, these characters are not supported with ISO or with ASCII or with ANSI. So they should use UTF because it supports millions of characters or the whole world characters. So you should use the UTF and it will support any character you write. So don't worry about any character if you are using UTF-8. So it's recommended also even if you are just using the English language, you will need it. You will need some samples. So we will use the UTF-8, which is the best recommended Charset. That was the lesson of this this session. See you in the next, and bye.